this is where I'm going to work away from. I've got the drain here for the shower, so everything in the room needs to run in this direction. When the shower's being used, the water can spread out, doesn't really matter where it goes. The whole room will have a slight slope back in this direction. So the water will always come back to here. As I'm spreading it out, I will gradually let it get a little bit higher and a little bit higher as it comes away from the drain. So then everything in the whole room is gradually sloping in this direction. Did the first coat of this floor leveler last night. You can still see some of the cables showing through a little bit. I'm going to do a second layer, and when I do the second layer I'll use that to angle the floor so that I get a nice slope towards the drain over here, and then when it's all tiled and it's actually being used as a shower, the water will always run back to the drain. Before I do the second layer of the floor leveler, I have to apply this primer because it won't stick properly otherwise. And then I'll do some markings on the floor, and I'll film that and show it. I'll mark down on the floor how thick I need the leveler to be in certain places so that it forms the slope that we need so that the room performs properly as a wet room.
I think I'm on to a new melody. It's not a mix of salt, bad talking, open wounds. Heavy breathing and overeating has suddenly left me. Talking to myself after a bottle of wine is like inviting every spirit. Oh, I am you and you are me. How is that not strange? Just to sit, but my healer told me your inner world will unfold just like that. It's a fact that we can't be foolish for too long. I think I've written every song. Soon, from here on to the moon, I run, run, run to overcome.